everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating exquisite outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at a perfectly manicured, clean-lined front yard and wondered how you could get that same look without all the work? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalist front yard gardens. This isn't just about having less. It's about designing a space that is intentional, beautiful, and surprisingly easy to maintain. First, let's break down what a minimalist front yard garden is all about. It's a design philosophy that focuses on simplicity, clean lines, and a less is more approach. The goal is to create a serene and balanced outdoor space by using a limited palette of materials and plants. Instead of an overwhelming mix of flowers and decor, a minimalist garden emphasizes the beauty of individual elements like unique plants, geometric shapes, and natural textures. It's all about creating a sense of calm and order right at your doorstep. So, why would you want to go minimalist with your front yard? The benefits are huge. A minimalist design isn't just visually appealing, it's incredibly practical. For starters, it's a low-maintenance dream. With fewer plants and a focus on hardscaping like gravel or pavers, you'll spend far less time weeding, mowing, and pruning. This frees up your weekends for things you actually enjoy. A minimalist garden also helps with water conservation, as many of these designs use drought-tolerant plants, especially in xeriscape-style gardens. Plus, a clean, modern landscape can significantly boost your home's curb appeal, making it look more contemporary and well cared for. It's a smart investment that adds value and makes a powerful first impression. Ready to start designing? Decorating your own front yard minimalist garden is all about thoughtful choices and strategic placement. Begin by decluttering the space. Remove any unnecessary planters, statues, or decor that don't fit the clean aesthetic. Next, focus on the foundation, the hardscape. Use materials like concrete pavers, smooth river rocks, or crushed gravel to define pathways and garden beds. These materials create the clean lines that are the hallmark of this style. When choosing plants, be selective. Opt for a few varieties that offer strong architectural shapes or interesting textures, like agave, yucca, or ornamental grasses. Arrange them in simple groupings or as striking focal points. Finally, incorporate subtle lighting to highlight key features and create a beautiful, welcoming glow in the evening. Remember, every element should have a purpose. Now let's get inspired. Here are our picks for the top 10 best front yard minimalist garden ideas, complete with stunning examples you can use for your own space. One, the clean lines and wooden accents. This garden combines manicured turf with modern materials. The striking wooden boardwalk-style paths lead the eye through the space, and the bold, spiky plants provide a dramatic focal point. The beds are sharply defined with metal edging, which creates a very neat and intentional look. This design proves that a minimalist garden can still be dynamic and full of life. 2. The dark and dramatic look. This minimalist garden uses a monochromatic color palette to create a sense of drama and sophistication. The dark wooden siding of the house is paired with a clean concrete path and black and white river rocks. A few carefully placed plants in modern containers and along the beds add a touch of softness. The design is bold, modern, and exceptionally clean. 3. The bamboo and paver garden. This garden demonstrates how to create a tranquil space with just a few elements. The tall bamboo stalks rising from a bed of white stones create a striking vertical element. The wide wooden pavers form a path that is both functional and beautiful, and the white siding of the house provides a clean backdrop for the greenery. This design is all about harmony and quiet beauty. 4. The architectural plant display. This is a perfect example of how a few well-chosen plants can make a huge impact. The front yard uses a limited number of plant species, allowing their unique forms to stand out. The mix of textured stone walls and smooth concrete complements the landscape, while the subtle lighting adds a touch of drama. It's a sophisticated look that is incredibly easy to maintain. 5. The sleek and symmetrical design. This front yard showcases how symmetry can bring a sense of calm and balance. The clean concrete pathways are offset by tidy strips of artificial turf, and a simple row of potted plants mirrors the home's modern facade. The dark wooden fence adds warmth, and the larger, sculptural plants on the side provide a dramatic yet controlled focal point, creating a highly organized and visually appealing landscape. 6. The modern Zen garden. This design features a large, raked gravel area punctuated by a few carefully placed boulders. The use of simple architectural plants and a wooden fence creates a tranquil and orderly space. The warm lighting highlights the textures, making the garden feel inviting and serene. This style is perfect for creating a peaceful retreat right at the entrance of your home. 7. The vertical garden. Minimalist design isn't just for the ground. This garden uses a vertical living wall to introduce lush greenery without taking up much horizontal space. The clean geometric shape of the hedge and the simple wooden bench offer a place to rest, while the metal grate pathway adds a modern industrial touch. It's an excellent solution for small spaces and urban courtyards. 8. The textured oasis. This design beautifully blends natural textures and clean lines. The raised stone planter bed creates a strong visual boundary, while the variety of low-growing, drought-tolerant plants adds layers of interest. The concrete stepping stones are laid out in an orderly grid, providing a clear path that contrasts with the softness of the plants. It's a perfect example of a garden that is both structured and organic. 9. The raised bed simplicity. This minimalist front yard uses raised garden beds filled with white river rocks and sparse, spiky plants. This creates a striking low-maintenance display that is both elegant and simple. The light-colored wooden path leads to the front door, drawing attention to the entrance. The design is clean, symmetrical, and makes a strong statement. 10. The gravel and stepping stone path. This stunning garden features a wide, inviting walkway made of individual concrete slabs that create a floating effect. The surrounding gravel and a mix of arid, water-wise plants like cacti and succulents reduce the need for constant watering and maintenance. The layout guides the eye toward the home's entrance, making it a stylish and functional design. So there you have it, 10 inspiring ideas for a beautiful minimalist front yard. The key takeaway here is that you don't need a lot of stuff to create a stunning, high-impact space. You just need to be intentional with your design choices and focus on the power of simplicity. A minimalist garden isn't about being empty, it's about being purposeful. If you were inspired by any of these ideas, be sure to hit that like button. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite and what you're planning for your own garden. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!